In this assignment, we are going to draw this sketch. So let's get started. First, draw a circle from origin. Give 30 mm dia. Draw another circle of 20 mm dia. Draw a line from origin of 18 mm length. Draw this line of 3 mm. Now draw a line up to the circle. Now select these two lines and mirror them about this line. Select all four lines and go to rotate feature. Select origin as point of rotation. We need 3 more instances at 90° each. Give 90°. OK. Now delete this line. Now select quick trim to remove unwanted parts. Now draw another circle from origin of 90 mm dia. One more circle of 72 mm dia. Now draw a random line. Select normal view from bottom if your sketch is rotated by mistake. Now define this line. Give some angle from vertical axis, that is 18°. Now mirror this line about vertical axis. Now select these two lines and go to rotate feature. Select point of rotation. Give 90°. Enter. Now use quick trim to remove all unnecessary parts. And delete these lines. Again, give 18° angle to this line from vertical axis. Now draw a random line from origin and give 60° angle from horizontal axis. Enter. Draw another random line and this time give 30° angle. Now draw a circle of 9 mm on this point. Draw a circle of 9 mm on this point. Select these two circles and go to rotate feature. Select origin as point of rotation and give 90° rotation value. Use quick trim to trim all unnecessary parts. And delete these lines. The sketch is underdefined. Now you can see that there are lots of white lines in this sketch, which means it is underdefined. So we need to define this sketch, and that will be your self-practice work. Try it yourself, but if you were unable to do it, then contact your personal instructor. He will help you through this assignment.